Founded in Taiwan in 1992, Kyoujin has remained at the forefront of the printing and cutting industry. Kyoujin built its reputation from auto cutter and printer design. With over 30 years of technical experience through various industries, we continue to innovate. We provide a variety of customized services in order to create the perfect print and cut solution for you. Central to Kyoujin's specialization are three key strengths: personalized auto cutter solutions, precisely adapted printer mechanisms, and innovative linerless technology. Auto cutters. We have a diverse range of cutters, spanning cutting sizes from 2 inches to 6 inches, and are able to cut various materials and thicknesses greater than 0.2 millimeters. Our expertise allows us to customize bespoke solutions that fulfill your needs regardless of the material or thickness involved. At Kyoujin, we also design precisely adapted printing mechanisms for a variety of uses and industries. With seamless printing and effortless loading, elevate your printing experience with our side-open printer design, with printing and cutting capabilities ranging from 2 to 6 inches. Empower your gaming experience with our custom drawer printer with simplified maintenance. Experience speeds of up to 250 millimeters per second and effortless operation. Linerless solutions. Our non-stick linerless technology not only reduces cost, but also lowers cleaning frequency, optimizing your user experience. With user-friendly side-open design and label-taking features, our side-open printer is perfect for linerless label printing. Our compact and flat profile printer is ideal for situations where there are space constraint requirements. Please feel free to explore our ODM services for printer mechanisms and auto cutters and see how Kyoujin can be your print and cut solution.